think I got dirt on my toothbrush.
Oh, nice. Extra grit.
I went to the dentist recently, and so I've been learning about dental care. I went camping. It was a lot of fun. I went with my friend and we got in the water, looked at bugs and stuff. I've been feeling very turbulent in my mind recently, and it makes me frustrated. I want to just chew my carrots hard because I feel like sometimes no one listens to me. And sometimes all you can do is sit in the break room and eat your carrots, or go to the social work office and cry, or make something with your hands, or get a vial of morning dew and save it for a lover. Sometimes that's all you can do. Can you see it?
I think so.
I can hear it ribbit.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Oh my god, it's my baby friend. I did it! I'm alive! Woo!
Get into the water.
Hey guys, welcome to Parking Lot Sushi. I've been climbing, and I have been climbing for a few weeks now. I would say a few weeks ago I did not have one single bicep in my whole body, and now I do, kind of, and my grip strength is getting better. I kind of want to show you guys my bicep, but I feel like that's really embarrassing because I'm not that strong. But let's see. Okay, can you guys see like the definition a little bit? Guys, I promise you, it's like compared to a few weeks ago, something's happening. Grill master. I don't think it's very easy for me to make all of them that way.
Yeah.
But I do think what I can do is like commit to like one topic that I'm exploring in my own life.
Mm-hmm.
like internally and just mentally.
Yeah.
Like draped cloth over it, and so she would like move the cloth from one side of the greenhouse to the other side as the sun moved.
Whoa.
And she just had really beautiful things to say. She was like, so I guess in a way you could say that this house moves with the sun.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, that's so pretty.
Sounds like a very fate thing. Yeah, you should send me one of her videos. Trying to be sneaky.
Should I spit in a fire pit?
That's the most like ecologically friendly place.
Mm-hmm.